Hey, you ready?
Yeah.
Quick trick with a deck of cards. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to rip through the cards, just say stop. You ready?
Stop.
Memorize the card, don't forget it. Got it. Make sure the camera sees it.
Mm-hmm.
Card goes back about middle. Actually, you push it in there.
Mm.
Perfect. Nothing tricky yet. I just want you to make sure that it's not the top card. It's not the 3.
Nope.
You sure?
Sure.
Okay. Not the bottom one, the jack?
Nope.
Okay, I'm going to go through the cards. It's somewhere in the middle. Don't tell me when you see it, but just look for it, okay? Was it somewhere in the middle?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yep.
I'm going to find your card by... Actually, most magicians will mark the card.
Okay.
But I'm going to do a little bit different. I'm actually going to mark every single card but your card with a little blue mark. Ready? Happens like that. All the cards turn blue, except for one card. What was the name of your card?
9 of hearts.
The 9 of hearts. That's it.